Discuss about pregnancy category of drugs. A, B, C, D, X. X means don't give. Studies adequate, well controlled or observational in animals or pregnant women have demonstrated a positive evidence of fetal abnormalities. The use of the product is contraindicated. Okay, and A means adequate, well controlled studies in pregnant women have not shown increased risk of fetal abnormalities. So A and X on the extremes of this category. And now let's come to B, C and D category. So these all can be given to pregnant women. These all categories depending upon the condition of pregnant woman. I mean to say that this can also be given if benefit outweighs the risk. So D category means studies adequate, well controlled or observational studies in pregnant women have demonstrated risk. So human study have demonstrated risk. Okay, however the benefits of the therapy may outweigh the risk. So this is D category. And now C, B and C categories. So in B categories, in animal studies have revealed no evidence of harm to the fetus, no adverse effect. Okay, however there are no adequate and well controlled studies in pregnant women. In human, no studies done. I mean no study means no well controlled study. Okay, so no study means and no adverse effect in animal. Okay, and another is animal studies have shown risk. Animal studies have shown adverse effect. Okay, so it has shown adverse effect, but adequate and well controlled studies in pregnant women have failed to demonstrate a risk to the fetus. But in human, these studies have shown no risk, failed to demonstrate risk to the fetus. So this also comes here. And in category C, animal studies have shown adverse effect. So here animal studies have shown adverse effect. And there are no adequate and well controlled studies in pregnant women. No study. Okay. So in human study, you can see here in animal there is adverse effect, but in human there is no studies done. But here you can see that in human there is no studies done, but animal has shown no adverse effect. Okay, so see, compare these both. Okay, you can compare it. No adverse effect in animal, in human no studies, and animal no adverse effect. So it is falls under B. But if animal studies has shown adverse effect and in human there is no study, it is category C. And if there is no study in human, no studies in animal, it also falls under category C. So no animal studies have been conducted and there are no adequate and well controlled studies in pregnant women. Okay, so that's all.